YouTubers? This is Borderlands, and I'm going to be showing you how to get the achievement. Okay, how to get this achievement right here. My brother's a talent plumber, so I'll show you how to get that. So just have to kill any jumping on its head. So we're just gonna go to the skag and just keep jumping on its head. Remember, try not and jump on it. I mean, try not and shoot it. So. Hi. Ah, wait. My God. Yay. Sorry I'm doing so horrible, but that's the achievement, guys. So, alright.